Hey guys, good morning. So welcome back to Imagination Tech, and I am right here right now at I think this is Petron here in Canlubang, and yeah, this is a BMW Z4, and I'm sitting right in the driver's seat. But this is not mine, and I'll show you why we have a BMW right now.
Hi, extra. sorry.
Ay, okay lang.
Pasok na kaya kayo dito para malamig.
So sa mga nakakilala sa akin, my first wife passed away because of cancer. So yun. So sikat kami sa kale. You can Google it, superfoods. Normally kale kasi sa Baguio yun. So dito meron tayo. At saka mga arugula, coca-cola.
Yeah, may award tayo for, as promised, yung two cleanest cars. So ito yung prize, USB na BMW na may BMW na logo. The first one goes to Benedict Carrer.
Gusto ko manilis ha.
Yeah, thank you. The next one goes to Christian. Karakara. Guys, thank you for doing this run. Hopefully we can do it often. I know it's been a while. People have been asking for this for quite a while, and kailan natin nagawa, but hopefully we can do it more often. Oh,
Bestseller namin, Sesame, Black Sesame.
yeah. Addition pa.
Hey guys, so today I'm here at Taal, Maranan's Farm Ville. So this is a farm owned by Mike Maranan, and he's a member of the BMW Z3 club here in the Philippines.
I'm Michael Maranan, and this is Taal Maranan's Farm Ville Inc. is the first organic farm in town. Basically, this is a bed and breakfast which serves one of the healthiest food in town. Our best sellers are mulberry jam, banana kale, lettuce, and so on and so forth. Anything if you are health conscious, most likely you will like it here. There's no TV, there's no Wi-Fi, there's no video or karaoke, so you can rest. It's a relaxation of mind, body, and soul. And basically, if you want to at least renew your spirit, you should come here. BMW Club, the C Club, they are composed of mga C Roadsters, C3, C4, and C8. So basically, nag-organize sila from Alabang, then going here. So kung may mga ibang car club, they can join, they can visit us. So parang camaraderie, and at the same time, ma-enjoy pa nila yung place. If you feel so tired and palagay nyo, I'm going to use this word kasi Tagalog namin dito sa Batangas. Kung palagay mong napapagal ang iyong kaluluwa, ang iyong espiritu, pumunta ka dito, marerelax ka. Ang kailangan mo lang kasi, according to Hippocrates, our food should be our number one medicine and our medicine should be our food. Thank you so much sa mga gumawa ng mga videos and sinishare. Thank you so much.
And that is why there are a lot of BMWs right here, right now. And I've been invited to take a couple of drone shots of these beautiful cars. There are a couple of non-Z cars right here, right now, but mostly there are BMW Z3s and Z4s right over here, and even a Z3. I think this is a Z4 coupe. So yeah, but most of them are Z3s and Z4 convertibles. So
There was a set of group who set this up long way before we did, and then back I think back in 2015, 2016, Chris Deco created a Facebook page, and then we started, adding people who have interest, are enthusiasts of these cars. So that's where it was founded again. So, but of course, all credit goes to the original founders. For the second set of founders, 2015.
Okay.
But before that, I believe there were a set of people, the original founders, who have been members already, and medyo nag-die down. But slowly, we're seeing them again. So hopefully, makasama namin yung mga original founders.
What can you say about the farm naman, about our venue today?
Absolutely amazing. It's awesome. It's the first time I've been into a place like this. I think the farm is really nice. The food is really great. I went around. The pool is really clean. So the road going here, decent. From where we came from, the Taal hanggang sa dulo, Batangas. Wala. Ingat po. I'll see you sa kalye. Hopefully maabutan kita. So, yun. So, going here, very decent. So, you see naman our cars lowered sila, diba? Naturally. And we didn't have any problems, driving by to your farm.
Alright.
And of course, we'd like to say thank you to Mike for inviting us. Taal Maranan, farm is really outstanding. It's really amazing. I hope we can encourage more people to come here. Not just for activities like this, but if you guys can bring your families, that would be really awesome. Definitely a good place to recommend.
Alright. Thank you.
Thank you.
yeah, this is pretty cool. It's a really great opportunity. So I really like to thank Arvin, who invited me to take the drone shots for this event, and it was really great. I was able to fly over that. Not sure if you can see that windmill, but I was able to fly my share on my drone over that windmill. So maybe I can show you a couple of drone shots later. We had a couple of shots done with the Mavic, and then we also went around the whole farm, and it was really great experience. My ex-wife died of cancer, and that was his motivation in setting up an all organic farm. And this farm has all of the nice organic stuff like kale and everything. So we had a really hearty breakfast. We had lechon, we had tawilis, which is a delicacy here in Taal, and a whole lot of other things. And it was really great food over here. I'm just gonna post links on the description below, but yeah, do check out Taal Maranan's Farm Ville here in Taal, Batangas, because it's really great. It's open to visitors if you want to just hang around by this farm, take a look, just relax, or maybe just eat their organic farm produce. Yeah, all right. So anyway, that's it for now. I will be flying some more here in this spot, so I'll check you guys later. So it was a really great experience riding with the BMW Philippines Z Club and spending the rest of the day at Taal Maranan's Farm Ville, where we had really great lunch and merienda with their organic salads, their calabujo, which is like calabasa or squash, and buko, which is coconut. So it was made into a sort of pasta dish, but it's not really pasta. They had regular pasta as well as a lot of other stuff, and it's really great place to just relax and rejuvenate your body. And it was a really big spot, really big farm, so it was also a great place to fly both my Mavic and Sierra, so that was really fun. But it was a whole day, hot day out in the sun, and I had to drive back to Manila, so I was really so tired yesterday. So yeah, so today is actually Sunday, and earlier we just went to visit the cemetery to pay respects to one of our dear friends who passed away and was laid to rest just last Thursday. Sierra also flew with a GoPro Hero 5 because my Runcam 3 is right now being maintained by my good friend Jay Gonzalez, who does all of the repair and maintenance work for my quad stuff. But yeah, the Runcam 3, it has some moisture inside, so you can see it through. You can probably see it in some of my videos, One Pack Wednesday maybe. So yeah, but there's some water spots on the lens, so that's why I had to get some new red filament because I already ran out of the orange one. I got some new filament for my 3D printer last Friday, so I just printed quickly a new wedge mount for the GoPro Hero 5, yeah, and just now I'm just printing some odd stuff with the 3D printer now that I have new filament with me. So yeah, but probably order some other materials as well, because the place where I get my filament is Winovate, and they also offer PLA mixed with carbon fiber. So imagine that, imagine the possibility. So that is something I'm looking forward to trying out very soon. So hope you stay tuned, and when I come out with probably a video about 3D printed carbon fiber material. It's not going to be pure carbon, so it's not going to be as strong as our quadcopter frames, but it's still carbon fiber, so you know that holds a lot of promise. And I do have I'm still managing my expectations, but I think it's gonna be awesome. Right, so anyway, this has been a long day as well today. Has been a packed weekend for me. So anyway, I hope you like this video. Make sure you click on the like button if you like this as well. Make sure you're subscribed, and maybe hit that bell button so you get notified when I put out a new video every time. Alright, so anyway, in the meantime, keep building and keep flying, and I will see you next time. Bye.